I want to start today by sharing some insights that have been invaluable to me, and I think they can really help you on your journey as business owners, whether you're running a small startup or managing a larger corporation. And that insight is simple but powerful. Never stop thinking about how to delight your customers. I'm not just talking about satisfying them. That's the minimum. You need to delight them. Think about it every day. When you wake up, think about how you can bring joy to your customers. Throughout your day, ask yourself how you can exceed their expectations. And when you go to bed, keep those thoughts alive. If you do this consistently, your business will thrive. Look at companies like Apple. They don't just sell phones and laptops. They create an experience that keeps customers coming back. Or take Ritz-Carlton, where the staff doesn't just serve guests, they anticipate their needs before they even ask. The key to success is simple. Delight your customers one by one. When you're starting out, it might be just you. And let me tell you, those early days will be some of the best and most rewarding moments you experience. You're doing everything handling the product, customer service, accounting, marketing. You're the first one in and the last one out. You're making the coffee, sweeping the floors, setting the example. It's hard work, but it's incredibly fulfilling. The best time is when it's just you building something from scratch. Think of Damon John, the founder of Fubu. He started his business by sewing hats in his mother's house. Every single piece of the operation, from design to shipping, was handled by him. But that dedication to his craft, to his customers, and to the quality of the product is what turned Fubu into a global brand. There's no substitute for hard work. The harder you work, the more lucky you get. People talk about luck, but the truth is, it's the preparation and hustle behind the scenes that makes luck look like a result of your efforts. My advice to any entrepreneur is simple. Don't be discouraged if your business doesn't look exactly like you envisioned it at the start. I can tell you firsthand that most successful entrepreneurs didn't follow a straight path to success. Take Netflix, for example. They started as a DVD rental service. And look at where they are today, streaming original content and a global powerhouse. They had to pivot, and so will you. The key is to learn from your setbacks quickly and move forward with an idea that works. But in all of this, don't forget to focus on what truly matters, your product, and most importantly, your customers. You must stay close to both. Their feedback is gold. It's what shapes your business. But as much as you need to focus on them, don't forget to think about the bigger picture of your business. What's next? How do you take your company to the next level? Let's talk about your purpose for a moment. It's crucial to have clarity around why your business exists, and not just for you, but also for your team, your customers, and anyone else you work with. Having a strong, clear purpose gives your team something to rally behind. It helps your employees feel connected to the vision of your company. Take Patagonia, for example. Their purpose isn't just to sell outdoor clothing. They want to inspire and implement solutions to the environmental crisis. This core purpose is embedded in everything they do, and it attracts customers who believe in their mission. When you're hiring, make sure you're asking the most important question: why do you want to be a part of this company? If you hear the passion and the alignment with your purpose in their response, then you know you're on the right track. Passion can't be taught, but skills can. And when your team is aligned with your vision, everything becomes easier. The journey will be tough, no doubt about it. There will be ups, downs, and sometimes those days when you wonder why you started in the first place. But staying focused and level-headed is key. You'll have moments when you feel like giving up, but it's how you handle those moments that defines success. And here's the thing: companies that succeed have a clear strategy. They know why they're different, they understand what value they bring, and they know what makes them stand out from the competition. Look at Warby Parker. When they started selling glasses online, They weren't just selling frames, they created a whole new model. They understood that customers were tired of overpaying for glasses and wanted something more convenient. Their strategy was clear, their product differentiated, and they provided value in ways that others didn't. So don't scramble around working harder without direction. You need to align everyone in your company around a single, clear strategy. That's how you unlock the power of your team and move forward with purpose. To wrap up, here's my advice to all of you. Always think about how to delight your customers, not just satisfy them. Put in the hard work, even when it's tough. Those early years will shape your success. Be prepared to pivot when things don't go as planned, but never lose sight of your product and your customers. Define your company's purpose and communicate it clearly. Your team and your customers should feel that purpose in everything you do. Stay focused and don't let setbacks stop you. Build a strategy and make sure everyone is on the same page. Success doesn't come easy, but with the right mindset and dedication, it's absolutely within your reach. Thank you. I will catch you on the next episode. Click the like button, make a comment, and subscribe for more videos.